Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngethemba ukuthi phela-ke mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke i-button subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje enzelwe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphuthi lezi ndaba ungazinjani ucindezela-ke i-button subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana so-MK-ke usedlulise-ke isimemezelo-ke laphana-ke kubantu-ke ngomcimbi-ke omkhulu-ke ozoba khona-ke laphana-ke aveza nokuthi-ke usememe-ke umongameli-ke we-MK uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke kanye nesekela-ke likamongameli-ke uDr Mhlophe-ke laphana-ke waveza-ke okuningi, kodwa angifuni mina ukusaziwa ngamphendula nje indlela ividiyo yakhe-ke uzwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela ukuthi phansi uzwele-ke le vidiyo ngene ma-comment section-ke futhi ushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese wenze kulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhasa ucindezele-ke i-button usubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwa nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngizifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Comrades, friends, patriot, we are organizing a gala dinner on the 15th of November, where all RAF2 unions will be here for presentation. Actually, we invited JZ Zuma, the president of MK. We invited Dr. Hlophe, Judge Hlophe, simazi kanjalo, we can't say otherwise. But we also invited Chivambo to come and all these guys to come and be with us. We are also believe that in that day we are inviting all the teachers, because we've got union that deals with teachers, and we've got the unions that deals with health workers, and we've got unions that deals with municipalities. We've got unions that deals with securities, cleaners. Umkhonto will be presenting all these unions in here at Poison Hotel on the 15th of November from 6 up until 11 o'clock. So let's come, let's organize, and per person, this gala dinner will be just cheap as 1,000 rand. So this is the place. This place is accommodating more than 250 people who can be here in that day. So everyone must start now. A teacher must book the seat, and the nurse, doctors must book the venue, the seats, the logistics people, transport must book the venue, and what else? The municipality workers who wants to be umkhonto wesizwe must book the seats. We've got a lot of even the securities, they must book the seats. But everybody is welcome to come. Actually, we prioritize a working class, either a middle or a lower class, to come so that they can have an engagement with all unions that we have here in RAF2. RAF2, it's a Radical Action Federation of Trade Unions. So this is Bishop Ngobo, Secretary General of RAF2, lakhe.